In every era, love has the power to transform lives in ways both subtle and profound. This story unfolds against a backdrop of luminous moments and shadowed reflections, where youthful hope meets the wisdom of maturity. Through the unwavering loyalty of its characters, we witness how true love can inspire courage, heal old wounds, and ignite new beginnings. The interplay of evocative lighting and expressive faces reveals emotions that words alone cannot capture. As the narrative unfolds, the bonds between these individuals become a testament to the enduring strength of the human heart. Their journey reminds us that love, in its purest form, can illuminate even the darkest paths. When the two main characters first meet, there is an unmistakable sense of recognition between them. Their conversation flows effortlessly, marked by thoughtful exchanges and genuine curiosity about each other's lives. Both bring a quiet confidence and emotional openness, revealing past experiences that have shaped their perspectives. Rather than relying on superficial charm, they connect through shared values and mutual respect. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, hinting at the possibility of something profound. In this moment, it becomes clear that their relationship holds the promise of true understanding and lasting companionship. As the couple journeys through life's unpredictable terrain, they encounter a series of challenges that cast shadows over their path. Cool evening hues mirror the moments when uncertainty lingers and doubts begin to surface. Financial strains, misunderstandings, and external pressures test the strength of their bond. Despite these hardships, their loyalty to one another becomes a guiding light, helping them navigate through adversity. Each obstacle forces them to reflect on their commitment, revealing both vulnerabilities and resilience. In these quiet, somber moments, their relationship is shaped and redefined, proving that true partnership is forged not only in joy, but also in perseverance. As dawn breaks, gentle rays of sunlight fill the room, casting everything in a golden glow. The couple stands together, their hands entwined, having weathered the storms that once threatened to pull them apart. In this quiet moment, the warmth of the morning reflects the hope and renewal blossoming between them. Every glance and soft smile speaks of resilience, of love that has endured and grown stronger through adversity. The world outside is waking, but within these walls, a new chapter begins, one built on trust, understanding, and unwavering devotion. Their journey has not been easy, yet the promise of the day ahead is brighter than ever, illuminated by the enduring strength of their bond. Love has the remarkable ability to inspire hope and ignite change, even in the most trying circumstances. It strengthens bonds, fosters loyalty, and encourages resilience when life presents its greatest challenges. Through acts of compassion and unwavering support, love becomes a guiding force that helps us persevere and grow. When we embrace love's transformative power, we find the courage to overcome obstacles and the wisdom to cherish those who stand by our side. In the end, it is love that lights our path, reminding us that together we can endure and flourish.